You're doing it wrong if you think dressing up is just about looking good. No, it's deeper than that. Dressing up is a form of self respect, a little daily ritual that reminds you you matter. I finished taking bath and I'm done with drying my hair. So I've ordered couple of skincare products from Hyphen. So this is not my first order though from Hyphen. So previously I had ordered this cleanser and the moisturizer. So these two are my repeated orders. The rest of the products I'm using now are extremely new to me. And I also ordered this retinol serum for night routine. I haven't used it yet, but I really hope to use it soon and hoping it works. And so to start off with, I'm using exfoliator. I had a feeling that it would be a little bit more like toner, but I'm not sure though. I did use all of these yesterday and I loved the outcome. And so I'm continuing the same routine today because I have plans of going out in the evening. Let's see how things go. As per the instructions, you can apply it using cotton pad or just use your fingertips or fingers to apply it all over your face. So ideally you can start by using it weekly 2 times and slowly increase the number of times you're using. So let's see. And this is, oh my god, product. I'm not kidding. I especially loved the glow it gives me and it suits my skin as well. So it is called vitamin infused peptide dewy prep. Oh, it's amazing. So today instead of serum, I'm using this and I used the same yesterday instead of serum. So yeah, quite a tough nut. Oh, I totally love it. It has this white liquid sort of look to it and it is not too runny. I don't know if you can see. It is not too runny. But yeah, and yeah, just tap it. Yeah, so I don't know if I took too little or you can see something glowing on my face. Can you? Okay, so the next product would be moisturizer. I told you this is not. So this is the first. Um, I'm still using the first ordered moisturizer. The second one is yet to be opened, but it's lasting quite well. I mean, in terms of quantity as well as doing a great work on the skin. And guys, um, if some of you may not like the way I'm applying the products, that's still okay. I generally apply them based on how I feel or if I'm in a rush or not, whatever it is. So, but I ensure I still use them every day, no matter how I'm applying them. Don't forget your hands and your neck. So yeah, I'm done with this basic stuff. Now I really thought I will like this, and I did like it for a couple of days, but recently really liking I'm not enjoying using this product because sometimes it's leaving white cast or it's just peeling off. I don't know if it has something to do with my skin or the skin products that I'm using or this, but whatever it is. So I'm just waiting to finish this and so I can order another one. And hopefully I'll order just hyphen because I've heard it's a good one. I've seen the reviews and some videos on Instagram as well as YouTube shorts. So I hope to order it one day soon. But so far I'm enjoying hyphen products. So this cleanser and moisturizer, I've been using them since 2 to 3 weeks, and it's very subtle, gently cleans my skin, and it's nice. So yeah, I mean, at least for now I'm sticking with hyphen, and I hope to stick with it for a long time. So if many of you would have noticed, I use this lip balm from Broots Bees. I bought this when I was in Canada, and it's still good. It's still coming, and so I thought it was almost on the verge of, um, you know, that I was just finishing the product. Sorry, finishing the product, and I had ordered this lip balm from Hyphen. It's called All I Need Lip Screen, with SPF 30, vitamin C, vitamin E 1%, kojic acid, kojic acid 2%, and avocado oil. All right. Oh no, but I have used this since it's been 2 days since I'm using this, and I'm loving the taste of it. Especially, it's so nice and sweet. So that's with my skincare for today, hopefully. It's only I just do makeup on days when I'm stepping out, only if I'm in mood for it. And today I have plans of going out with my cousin. And but before that, I need to complete my portfolio I'm working on, and I'm also looking into or learning more about how to get certified as a personality development coach or personal development coach. So I have lots and lots of things to do today. Let's see how things go. So I'm in the kitchen and I'm all set to prepare soya chunks pulao. I hope it really turns out to be delicious. Plus, I love it. I make it really spicy because I love spicy food. So it's me and my help auntie who would be having pulao for today. And let's see, let's have some fun. She really enjoys my food. That's what she says at least. So I'm believing her more. And since I enjoy cooking, I'm giving more dishes some shot. And yeah, let's see how things go. Ever noticed how putting on a well fitted outfit instantly shifts your energy? There's a reason for that. When you dress intentionally, your brain registers it as a form of self appreciation. You stand taller, you move differently, and guess what? You feel different. It's not about impressing others, it's about showing up for yourself. Even on days when I feel blah, dressing up helps me shake off the low energy. I choose my outfit, put in a little effort, and boom, my mind shifts. It's like telling myself, you've got this. But let's be real, clothes alone won't fix everything. True self care is about how you treat yourself in every little moment. It's waking up and choosing to take care of your body, your mind, and your space. Something I've learned. Self care is also about what you put into your body. Eating nourishing food instead of just surviving on caffeine and snacks, that's self respect. I've started being mindful about what fuels me, and trust me, my energy levels have thanked me for it. That said, let's be honest, some days self care also means feeding my soul with a good pulao or my most favorite Indian food. Because let's be real, sometimes your tongue needs love too. Coming back to dressing up, it's more about mindset, telling yourself you're worth the effort. Da, da. రావే
ఫుడ్ వేసినప్పుడే రాదు అది.
అదే ఫుడ్ కోసం కదా ఆరాటపడి
వాచ్ మై రీల్.
రాణి. Now let's talk about the foundation of confidence, self-care. And no, self-care isn't just about bubble baths and face masks, it's about showing up for yourself daily, even in the smallest ways. When you feel good in your own skin, you attract better opportunities, relationships, and even better moods. It's like a ripple effect. The way you present yourself to the world reflects how you feel about yourself too. So, if you've been feeling stuck, uninspired, or low on confidence, start small. Maybe tomorrow pick up an outfit that makes you feel good. Take that extra 5 minutes to take care for yourself. See how it changes your energy and let me know in the comments how you feel when you dress up. When you listen to your body, giving yourself grace and remembering that rest is not a reward, it's a necessity. When you take care of yourself, confidence stops being something you force and starts being something you embody. Confidence isn't about being perfect, it's about choosing yourself daily. If this video gave you a little motivation, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you deserve to feel amazing every day. Thank you for watching this, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, take care. That caring sister you have is me. And so she's feeding you lots of chilies.